In this video, we're going to show the speedy or fast installation routine for the Efka AB611 and also for the AB620 control boxes. To start, we hold down the P button and turn on the machine, and don't let go of the P button until we see the word code appear. At that point, we can let go of the P button. We will tap the double arrow button one time, and it will turn code into 4 zeros, with the left 0 blinking. Here's where we enter our code, which is 3112. I will tap the plus button 3 times so that our first digit is a blinking 3. Double arrow button, plus the next digit to 1. Double arrow button, plus the next digit to 1. And again, press the double arrow button, and we will plus the end digit to 2. There's our code, 3112. We will enter the code, and it goes to parameter 200. For the SIR routine, we want to go to parameter 500. So press the double arrow button one time, and we'll plus the blinking 2 to a blinking 5. 500. Press enter, and it goes to the SIR routine. We'll now press the double arrow button, and it enters a routine to parameter 290. Parameter 290 is the sewing mode, chain stitch, lock stitch, etc. So we will enter this parameter, and we find it is pre-programmed to chain stitch mode 05. For the purpose of the demonstration, we're going to leave this on 05 and press the enter button. We'll go to the next parameter, which is 467. The AB611 and AB620 boxes can run all 4 of the Efka motors, the DC 1500, 1550, 1200, and 1250. So we press enter, and this is pre-programmed to number 3, which is the 1200 motor. However, on this machine, we have a 1500 motor, so I will press the minus button and minus it back to a number 1 to select the DC 1500 motor. Press enter, goes to parameter 111. This is our maximum speed. Press enter, and it's showing 5,000 RPM. For the purpose of the demonstration, we're going to reduce this to 4,000 RPM by holding the minus button, letting it increment down to 4,000 RPM. Press enter, and it goes to parameter 161. We'll enter this parameter, and we see a 0, which represents clockwise rotation. A 1 is counterclockwise rotation. And the machine we have here does turn counterclockwise, so we will plus this to 1 to set the direction of rotation. Enter. We go to the next parameter, 270, which is to select the synchronizer mode. Enter. We have it on 0, and as in the other controllers, this represents a direct drive without using a synchronizer. This machine has a synchronizer, so we're going to plus it to number 1 to set it to use a synchronizer. Enter that. We'll go to parameter 272. This is our transmission ratio. Enter it, and it's preset at 1,000. However, we don't know what the correct transmission ratio here is, so we will press enter, and we get pulley. We'll activate the treadle and run the machine till it says RDY or ready, and it jumps to the next parameter. The control has now made the calculation and entered our transmission ratio for us. There's no longer a need to calculate it. 451 is our needle down setting. We will press enter. Shows 180. This is the preset value. Well, we're going to rotate the hand wheel of the machine in the direction of sewing, and we see that our numbers are updating. We'll go around 1 full revolution, so that on the second revolution, as the needle descends, we'll set our needle down stopping position, which is right about here, with the needle just starting to rise, and we're showing 141 degrees. Enter. We go to our next parameter, which is our needle up setting, 453. Enter. The preset is 000. We're going to go ahead and turn the hand wheel again. Notice our numbers are already updating. We'll turn it 1 full revolution, and on the second revolution, we will turn it until the take-up arm is at the very, very top. Bring it up. And there we have it. Our utmost position at 009. Enter. And we're back at parameter 290 again. So this completes the routine. So we will press the P button 1 time. Shows parameter 500 again. Press it 1 more time. And we are now back in the sewing mode. We will sew the machine. And check. Looks like our needle up position is okay. So we'll press the button here to select needle up or needle down. That's our foot lift. There's our needle up, needle down. And we'll notice that we are now stopping in the down position. And go to needle up with the heel back on the pedal. And we're back to needle up again. This completes the routine, and the machine is now ready to sew.